I'm gonna take my time. Make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me I'm gonna make me sweat. I didn't fit it, but I rock it like a baby in a coat. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aïssa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So as you can see from the title, I'm bringing you guys another vlog, so definitely stick around and watch it. And on this channel there's hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos, so definitely stick around after this video and check those other videos out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, of course. But basically, yeah, I'm bringing you guys another vlog. This weekend there's a lot happening, so basically I'm all dressed. I'm about to go to the store because I'm doing this little like project for my brother. He wasn't here on his birthday and he's coming back tomorrow, so I'm trying to go get the stuff. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me. I already got a few things yesterday, but yeah, today I'm gonna get like more of the stuff that I need to do the project. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. So guys, it is the next day. It is currently 6:22 p.m. and my brother should be back by 9:30. I'm gonna show you guys what I have so far, and yeah, we'll go from there. So this is how the numbers came out yesterday. I'm just trying to figure out the placement, but we might take them out of the bags, I don't know. And then this is like my brother's room over there. This is the area we are about to basically, you know, decorate and stuff. So yeah, we'll let you guys watch that.
I wanna know how we became so distant, girl. The way we fell in love, it was almost instant. I'm trying to find a way around it. Girl, tell me how you feel about it. You still love me, that's the way it sounded. Thank God I would've never found it. I doubt it. I'm there for you if you allow me. Girl, you know I gotta keep you around me. All this paper we counted, blazing these ounces, spending on your baby no matter what the amount is. Now you wanna know what's got in there and tell me what's changed.
Hey guys, so today is the next day. My voice, I'm sorry about my voice, it's gone again. But basically I'm getting ready for party number 2. And I'm gonna show you guys what I do to get ready basically. So I just went to the store and got these and that, and I'm about to like make drinks in pouches. And this, I'm gonna show you guys how I decorate the place where we go. But yeah, that's basically it.
yeah, yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
Okay guys, so I am now in my room. Basically what I'm gonna do, these are the pouches I'm gonna put the drink in. I'm gonna pour it in, and then earlier today, I'm sorry I didn't come because it was just like so hectic, but I basically made this banner for her. It's a Barbie themed party, and I only have one because my printer was out of ink. Of course, it had to happen on this day, but I'm just gonna stick that on one, and that's gonna be hers basically. But the other ones are just gonna be plain like this, which is fine. And not a lot of people are coming, so I'll probably just make 10, maybe 11 or 12 in case some people want to. And yeah, so let me start pouring because I don't have that much time.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're lying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by but I'm burning. Let me hide, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to pick me out. Tell you what I need. Yeah, I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need to free my mind now. I really need time now. I need a free mind now. I really need.
Big seven, big seven, big seven, big seven, big seven. First of all, rest in peace, Virgin Abloh. Don't spill no drink on my clothes when I'm really dripping. Don't like stress if I know it. Straight to the head when I'm 1942 sipping. Been wavy since morning. Not they talk to me in public. It's my drink with a little money.
Hey! Surprise!
Oh my god! It's so nice to see you. I'm so happy.
Hey girl!
See me tonight. You can clearly see that I've been wavy since morning. Alright. R.I.P. to sit you, put your hands up, wait for the proof if you know you fuck with me. Don't like swears in my crew, if I call you my friend and then you best friend think you stuck with me. Been wavy since morning, and no confused if you from nothing. So I beg you not to stop me, I know they carry you by low. Get to gospel preacher.
Like I'm ready to bend, I'm a dance on more than I can. Like Jackson, Stacy, Nikki. All of the Barbies are pretty, all of the Barbies is bad, girl. And we're pretty kind. That was the Bible. That was still a Bible.
Two-time community service preacher. When I want to live, my niggas getting busy in the city, spend this thing until they get it with the list.
Carry on, carry on. Nothing really matters. You just made my sister confused.
Aujourd'hui c'est ton jour, happy birthday. Tout le monde à la maison, happy birthday.
Big seven. Big seven, big seven, big seven, big seven. Big seven, big seven, big seven, big seven.
Hey guys, so today is the next day. It's September 3rd, Sunday, and I'm with my sister. Hi! And we're here about to go eat with some family. So yeah, I'll just show you guys inside and everything.
I ain't do that 3 more times again, I testify of you. I told that lie, kill that bitch, I do it. All of them around, you scared to do it. I'm not, long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it, promise, give me looting. Hide your bodies, long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Ooh,